You say the sentence you have practiced 40 times, the dictation box types back a different sentence. That gap, it turns out, is worth 14 weeks of a teacher's corrections. 61 intermediate Chinese learners of English took a 14-week pronunciation course. 32 got the usual thing, teacher-led feedback. 29 worked in small groups with speech-to-text dictation software. Pronunciation feedback needs one person listening closely to one other person, the scarcest thing in any classroom, and learners hold back. One participant said she felt less nervous practicing with the software than with a teacher. The tool was ordinary speech-to-text, no score, no phonetic advice. The feedback was the gap between the sentence you meant and the sentence that appeared on the screen. After 14 weeks, the dictation group was significantly ahead on every measure taken. How accented they sounded, how they handled unscripted speech, overall speaking skill. The biggest gap was in how easily a listener could understand them. Here is the strange part: the software taught nobody anything. It cannot explain phonetics or tell you how to move your mouth. Being misunderstood by a machine that does not care was the whole lesson. Be careful with it. That group also had structured peer correction, so the software was not the only change. 61 learners, one level, no long-term follow-up, and the machine still hears less accurately than a person does.